Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is the video a lot of you have been waiting for, like ages. What if I told you there's a way to complete any Discord quest right from your mobile phone? And it's surprisingly simple. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method. So stick around because by the end of this, you'll never miss a quest reward again. First thing, you need an Android phone and you need to download an app called Kiwi browser. It's just a browser, but it's got one special trick. It lets us install extensions, which is the whole key to this working. Once it's installed, open it up and go to the GitHub link in the description to download Discord Web Quest Completer extension. Look for the Releases section and just tap on the newest .zip file there. Once it's downloaded, tap this 3 little dots in the corner and go to Extensions. You'll see a button called Plus from Zip. Tap that, find the zip file you just downloaded and select it. The extension will install automatically. You should now see it listed here, confirming it is active and ready to use. Now, with the extension successfully installed, the final step is straightforward. Within the same Kiwi browser, go to discord.com and log into your account. Then go to the quests page as you normally would. You may need to refresh the page once. After doing so, you will notice a new button called Run Quest Code appear. Let's see if we have a quest to test. Okay, we have one. It's already accepted and selected desktop as the platform. Now all you have to do is click on the Run Quest Code button, and then you can see that the quest begins completing now. That's all there is to it. You now know how to complete Discord quests on mobile. If anything is unclear, I'm happy to help in the comments.